Ganing language yan. Arabic. That is Arabic. Arabic language. Charlene and Lister. Lah, dyan po. Hindi ko pa nalista si Charlene and Lister. Mamaya na ako mag-play. Yes, Misu. From Turkey. Salamat, host. Uy, salamat, host. Alam mo magsalita ng Tagalog? You know how to speak Filipino language? Arabic Kurdish Perele. From Turkish Kurdish. You know how to speak Tagalog, Sarita? OMG. Salamat, host. Walang anuman. Sarita Dunia. Wow. Dami pang pumapasok na momo kay Sis Rose. I have many friends in Philippines, host, but my Tagalog is little host. Okay. That's why you know how to speak salamat, host. So I reply walang anuman. It means thank you. Tama ba ko? Patay na. Wow, yes, from Turkish Kurdish. Oh, what is wow, yes, Turkish? That's why you know, a little ask your friend to teach you lots of ano. Sis Tata, thank you so much, Sis Tata. I'm go to your videos. Thank you so much, Surita Dunia. I will go to later also to your video after my live. I will rest first I maybe 30 minutes. 30 minutes rest bulol na talaga to. I rates na naman. Nako. I rest my channel in 30 minutes and then I will back the I'm going to your videos. Thank you so much, Rita Dunia. Thank you so much. I go to later also to your video. Watch your video. 8 million viewer. Thank you so much. Ano na lang talaga, guys. Ano na lang talaga. Mag-eat na talaga ako. Mga ano na lang. Kaging lagi diri sa ako laging ano. Oh, wala na ako walang comment ako makita. Pero okay lang at least diri sa main account ko. Wala ni kaging. updated yung ano, updated yung mga comment na ni gawas. Wala desisyon. Dito pa rin. Thank you, sis. That's Phil. Sis Rose. Sis Tita Rose.